Brewco Incorporated, the industry's leading manufacturer of tie producing equipment, offering individual pieces of equipment all the way to turnkey installations. Our in-house automation and PLC engineer allows Brewco to design and automate any part of the tie production process in order to minimize manpower and maximize production. The Brewco tie end plater with squeeze will squeeze and plate up to 12 ties a minute. Our incisor plates with replaceable teeth offer up to 3 times the service life of traditional plates. A Brewco exclusive. Our patented stacker, the Brewco DP5000, will produce either German stacks or tram stacks at the rate of 12 ties a minute. Testing prior to shipment, along with the durability and the best service in the industry, allows Brewco to continue to be the only manufacturer to offer a holdback guarantee. In addition to producing the most durable equipment in the industry, our service crew, known as the Road Crew, is second to none when it comes to your satisfaction. Brewco Incorporated, over 25 years of experience that you can count on.